There is a better way to fund your business. Typically, entrepreneurs either go beg a bank for a loan, they'll spend the next decade paying back, or they drain their personal savings and pray the business takes off before their money runs out. But there is a third option, one that lets you use your retirement money to fund your business completely, tax-free with zero penalty. I'm Adam Bergman, tax attorney and founder of IRA Financial. Over the last 16 years, I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs use this exact structure to fund their business, from restaurants and franchises to software companies and real estate firms. I literally wrote the book on it. ROBS, or the Rollover Business Startup Solution, is a structure that allows you to roll your existing retirement savings into a new business without the money ever triggering a tax event. No distribution tax, no income tax, no early withdrawal penalty. The money goes directly from your retirement account to your business as a direct stock investment. And you keep every dollar working for you from day one. Some entrepreneurs know that you can take out a loan on your 401k. That same exception in the tax code that allows you to borrow against your 401k also makes ROBS work. Congress originally put that in the code so employees at companies like GE or Ford could buy stock in their own employer using their 401k. That was the intent. And it says a 401k can purchase qualified employer securities, otherwise known as C corporation stock. Over time, people started asking the right question. Well, if it works for Ford and GE, why can't it work for a startup? The truth was it could. All you need to do is set up a new C corporation, establish a 401k inside it, roll your existing retirement funds in, and the 401k buys shares of your company. That money is then inside the business as operating capital, and you never paid a dime in taxes to put it in there. It's completely legal. When I was practicing as a tax attorney, I even called the IRS myself. They said, we accept it and it works if you do it right. That was all I needed to hear. 16 years and thousands of ROBs later, I can tell you it works perfectly, and our team at IRA Financial does it better than anyone. The banks won't tell you, your 401k provider won't mention it, and your financial advisor definitely won't tell you about it. Actually, your financial advisor won't tell you about a lot of different opportunities to make money because it doesn't personally benefit them. If you have an advisor, learn how to know if they're looking out for your best interest in this video, linked in the description. Before walking through ROBS step by step, it's worth understanding where it sits relative to your other options, because there are three ways to use retirement savings to fund a business you're personally involved in, and they do not have the same benefits. The first is a self-directed IRA, which you can only open with a company like IRA Financial. You can use an IRA to invest in a private business, but the moment you own 50% or more of that business, it becomes a prohibited transaction. If you want full ownership and control of your company, you cannot use a self-directed IRA. The second option is through a solo 401k loan option. If you're self-employed, you can set up a solo 401k and then you can borrow up to $50,000 or 50% of the account value, whatever's less, for any purpose, including starting a business. The downside is it's a 5-year loan at the prime interest rate, currently around 7.5%. But the great thing about a 401k loan is that you are paying yourself the interest, not the bank. Regardless, you're still obligated to repay that loan within 5 years. Then there's ROBS. It's the only structure that lets you invest directly into a business you personally own and operate more than 50% of, control, with no loan obligation, no repayment, and no tax or penalty on the funds invested. It is the most powerful of the three by a significant margin. Setting up ROBS is more straightforward than most people expect. You can come to a company like IRA Financial and just tell us what you want to do for your business. It could be buying into a franchise or a restaurant, a tech company. It doesn't matter. You don't need to understand the legal mechanics behind ROBS. Just tell us what your goals are and we build the right structure for you. But there are two requirements for setting up a ROBS. The first is the business must be structured as a C corporation. And two, the retirement funds must come from a 401k, not an IRA. An LLC corporate partnership doesn't produce the right kind of equity, so it doesn't qualify for ROBS. whereas a C Corp has corporate stock available. We can help you set up a C Corporation and establish a 401k plan inside it. You can then simply roll your existing retirement funds from a former employer's 401k, even a traditional IRA, into that new 401k tax-free. That rollover is completely tax-free because the money is moving between qualified retirement accounts. Once the funds are in the new 401k, the 401k plan then purchases shares of stock in your C Corporation. The transaction turns the money from your 401k into capital that can now be used inside your company for any expenses, and you didn't pay a cent in taxes to get it there. The great thing about Robs is that it works for any legal US-based business you intend to own and operate. There's no minimum account balance to qualify for Robs, and the only requirement is that you are personally employed by the business and that you are operating it directly. You can't use a Robs to fund a company you are not involved in, and you cannot use it to take a passive stake in a friend's operation. That's for a self-directed IRA. It has to be yours. Another restriction is that the business has to be a domestic operation, and of course, the business has to be legal. Robs are not meant for passive investing. That's for a self-directed IRA. A great benefit about Robs is that you can set up the whole thing while still working for a full-time job elsewhere. But you need to be an employee of the Robs Corporation in order for it to work. You can be employed at both businesses, but you need to be on the payroll at your own C Corporation to be part of its Robs 401k. Also, you are required to pay yourself a salary through the Robs Corporation, which is great. That's not a drawback. It means you're not just funding a business, but you're also earning income from the business you built. After the business is up and running, you can continue contributing to the 401k from your C Corp salary. That means your retirement savings keep growing while your business is still operating and also growing in value. That's two things compounding in your favor at the same time. The 401k is a powerful account, but so is the Roth IRA. Both can do incredible things for your retirement, your business, and your long-term wealth, especially when you use it in these non-traditional ways to compound your wealth. In an upcoming video, I'm gonna break down differences between 401k versus the Roth IRA, their hidden advantages, and explain when each one makes the most sense. So make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Now, the risks associated with Robs are real and are worth being direct about. If the business fails, you'll lose the money, there's no deduction, and there's no special tax treatment on the loss. If $100,000 went into the corp through Robs and the business goes to zero, your retirement account is down $100,000. Unfortunately, you can't claim the tax-free benefit going into Robs and also expect a tax cushion if it doesn't work out. That's the trade-off, and anyone who tells you otherwise isn't being straight with you. Robs gives you more money to help you bet on your business and betting on you. And if you're going to put retirement money into something, I'd rather see it go into a business you control than handing it over to the market and managed by someone else. But remember, Robs is not the right fit for every situation. If you want to invest passively in a business as a minority stakeholder, the self-directed IRA gets you there without the corporate setup. If you need a smaller amount for a short runway, solo 401k loan is simpler. But if you want to fund a business you're going to build, own, and operate with full control, no repayment obligations, and no tax hit to use the money, Robs is the only structure that makes that possible. If you're not sure if your business is a Robs candidate, don't worry. Book a free consultation with one of our IRA Financial team members. No contracts, just free info. The link is in the description. Over the years, I've had people tell me they don't want to use Robs because they don't want to get audited by the IRS. This concern is real, but it's incredibly overstated. The IRS has no mechanism to identify Robs from a standard corporate tax return. In 16 years of doing this, I have never, ever had a client audited specifically because of a Rob structure. A 401k plan can get audited for any number of routine reasons, just like any plan can. But a Robs corporation is not going to be targeted because of how it was funded. Also, being audited doesn't mean you did anything wrong. If the structure is set up correctly, which it will be if you use IRA Financial and maintain correctly, there is nothing to be concerned about. That's why the most important part in Robs is making sure it's structured correctly and administered by the right team. At IRA Financial, we're Rob's experts. We handle everything from setup, compliance, tax filings, and ongoing administration. You focus on growing your business. We'll handle the rest. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.